Cook up a feast with this stylish built-in electric single oven and gas hob pack from Smeg. It's packed with incredible features to help you achieve effortless results. The oven has an A+ rating for energy efficiency and a large 70-litre capacity, so there's plenty of space if you like to host dinner parties. There are 4 zones on the gas hob, ranging from 3 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. The hob's rotary controls are designed with simplicity and ease of use in mind. With a simple twist of the dial, you can turn on each burner and alter the heat level to suit your needs. And because they are positioned at the front of the hob, you won't have to reach over any burners while cooking. Now you can prepare your favourite dishes with the minimum of fuss. Smeg's amazing Circulaire feature creates an even temperature throughout the oven. The combination of the fan and a circular heating element at the rear of the cavity push hot air to all corners of the oven, cooking food quickly and evenly. Because hot air is constantly moving, flavours won't transfer. This means you can cook a variety of dishes at the same time. So, you'll cut down on cooking time and have perfectly cooked food no matter which shelf you place it on. With incredible features and a stylish design, this electric single oven and gas hob pack from Smeg is an excellent choice to help you cook up a feast.